1 plus x whole to the power n equal to c0 plus c1x plus c2x square plus dot dot plus cn into x to the power n. Now we are to find the value of c0 into cr plus c1 into cr plus 1 plus dot dot plus cn minus r into cn. We assume n equal to 2 and r equal to 2. Now this expression becomes c0 into c2 plus c1 into c2 plus 1, that is 3, plus dot dot dot. That is, what is this? It is nc0, nc0. c0 means nc0, n means 2. So 2c0 and 2c2 plus 2c1 into 2c3, it is not valid, 2c3. So 2c0, that means 1, and 2c2, that means 1, so we get 1 here. Now if we put n equal to 2 and r equal to 2 in the following 4 options, we can check which option gives the value 1. So in the option A, if we put n equal to 2 and r equal to 2, we get 4 factorial, and in denominator 2 minus 2, that is 0 factorial, and n plus r, that is 2 plus 2, that is 4 factorial. So cancelled out, and factorial 0 equal to 1, you know. So in the option for n equal to 2 and r equal to 2, the value is 1, which is equal to this. So A is the right answer.